Is your gender or racial makeup leading to a lower quality of care? Well, a recent study shows that women, African Americans, and Hispanics could be faced with that, especially when it comes to joint pain and arthritis. And the effort to fight that is underway. Here with more to discuss that and other things as well, Dr. Mary O'Connor. She's the chair of the Movement is Life Executive Steering Committee. It's great having you.
Thank you, Sean. Delighted to be with you.
So this is very interesting. Healthcare disparities that you're seeing among women, African Americans, and Hispanics. What are you seeing?
Well, Sean, unfortunately, these disparities are real. And we know that musculoskeletal conditions, and we can think of that as joint pain, arthritis, and muscle problems, impact women and individuals of color at a higher rate. But then you add to that the disparities in terms of the care that people receive, so that we know that even for women and individuals of color that compared to Caucasians that have the same type of healthcare insurance, that the treatments that women and individuals of color receive can be less and different, and then their outcomes are not as favorable. So this is really an important issue for us as a community and as a nation.
You oversee the Movement is Life campaign, and tell us about the campaign and how you're seeking to change this.
So our focus is to eliminate these horrible disparities, and the key is movement. And the reason why movement is so important is because it really creates what we call the vicious cycle. If you injure your knee, and your knee hurts, you stop moving, you move less, but you're still eating just as much, and then you gain weight, and then there's more pressure on your knee, and your knee pain gets worse, and you get into this cycle where all of a sudden you're getting bad knee arthritis, and you're overweight, and you're obese, but then you also develop diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. And I see these people in my office, Sean, all the time, especially women. And it's heartbreaking, because then when they're in that situation, the risks to them of us providing care, particularly like surgical care, are much higher. The costs are higher. It's all negative. So our focus is to keep people moving and keep them from getting into that situation.
Absolutely, to be able to stop the cycle before they get into it. And really the important thing is early detection and being able to take care of it. What do you think is what is the issue that's causing this in the first place?
Well, the issue that's causing it in the first place is we're not really embracing our responsibility for our health and movement. Now, there are many factors. There's systemic issues as well, but on an individual level, we need to recognize that we have to take care of ourselves. And so getting people to get up and move, you know, after that holiday meal, go out for a walk with the family, right? Be active. We all want to grow old gracefully, and if we want to get there and be healthy, we need to keep moving, especially women.
And this is a great opportunity to be able to take charge of your own health care. I know there's the website choosemovementforlife.com. If people want to learn more about your organization, they can do so there.
Yes, Sean, we have a fabulous website, and I would highlight that we have an online community called Health Unlocked, where individuals can go and share some of their challenges in a very safe space.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much.
No, it's great to have you, and especially, I mean, depending on where you are, you know, Christmas, maybe going out in Boston might be really treacherous. Here in Vegas, however, there's no excuse to not take a walk around the park. There's no excuse ever. The weather's too beautiful.
Weather's beautiful and lots of fabulous things to see in Vegas, so everyone get out and move.
Absolutely. It's a great avenue. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you, Sean.
All right, it's an initiative raising awareness and inspiring change. If you want more information, you can choose to visit choosemovementforlife.com. Zimmer Biomet is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.